I grew up in a farm. We had cows, we had vegetables, we had trees, and I saw my parents practicing sustainable agriculture. I like so much. Doing research is going to be better for me to help people like my father and my brothers and my grandma doing research than actually being a farmer myself. In the food system now, they are very complex. You are not going to be able to resolve it if you have only one discipline working on it. If you have the agronomist himself is not going to do it. You have to have the engineer, the medical scientist, the social scientist, and the agronomist.